Lojay.
Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff.
You guys are letting this on your seats.
Oh, we'll use them like Lojay. None of these colors go with what I'm doing. What am I going to do? Ah, scars. I will go with pink. Or white. I think white will just be fair. I'll go with white. So I'm done. I don't know how it looks. Is it too much? Is it... I don't know, but I'm done. I don't feel like I should add any other thing. Like I was thinking maybe I should add something to the white, but I feel like it's okay like this. My Jeepers Creepers are a little bit silent now because I think she knows that we're going out. Like she can't even do anything. Like her being scared is just like, it's hyping me up. Because nothing is going to stop me. Even if it starts raining now, like, oh, I'm still gonna go. I'm still going to go. So, nothing is getting on that side of me. Nothing at all. See you, girl. This girl, I'm so shy. I'm so shy. I'm so shy. But we can do this. Can't we? Of course we can. Good. Let's go. Oosh, let me just put it back into the bag. My SpongeBob bag. And we can go. Yeah, so that's it. So when I wear my outfit, I'll show you. So scared. But like deep down, excitement. It's excitement.
Floating beautifully, you and me. I know when the river's swirling round, we're floating fluidly, blue and green. We play it with the forces of nature, alive in the dark. We never know where the tide will take us. Not fighting, we're not fighting who we are. We ride the waves, rolling on the sea of this emotion.
I literally ran on stage and I just forgot to even tell someone to help me film. But I had this angel that just picked up my device and started filming for me, and I'm so grateful to you, love. I didn't even get her name, but this really means a lot to me. I was basically living in the moment, and Pukoli laughing at me didn't even make me shy because I really enjoyed coming on stage and just breaking my boundaries.
She won. She created a fantastic show and came on stage and she was so excited and she won.
I'm in love with this guy. Not like, but like, I literally love everything he does. You're literally so like comfortable, like on stage, like, and I always wanted to be an MC. Like, anytime I watch you guys,
it could still happen. You never know. Just keep pushing.
I love him. No, I love his energy. He's so real. Like,
hey, you guys. Okay, and what's up for her? She won for the future.
okay.
Red light, picking up a car.
Focus on the blue light, please. Close your eyes. Open.
We done. We live though. You guys say hi. Oh, my everywhere. Okay, so are we done?
Yes, yeah.
Thank you. Another day, another workout. Where did we work out to? YouTube today. So look at you guys. You have food. Maybe chop. Daily bread provided by YouTube. Drinks. And what's this? It's soft. I'm sorry. What's this? What's this? Oh my God! You can't even believe it. You can't even believe it. You can't even believe it. Today was magical. Today was magical. When I tell you today was magical, believe me when I say it. To be honest, Apple Power Bank, isn't that God great? And cord from MTN Pulse. This is our first box. You know, sometimes when you start getting things too much, you will stop being grateful. But I'm gonna be grateful and see what YouTube gave me. So first of all, we have this. It was actually like this. It didn't look like something new, but I get because of, you know, it was what? It's a YouTube bottle. I have one already. This is my second one. This is so cute. Although this one is really small and I drink a lot of water, but this is what I like about this feature. It shows like temperature or something. I don't know how I did it before, but like it was showing something. Yes. Look at that. That's so cool. So that's that for the water bottle. Second thing is a notepad. Like, I love this one. I prefer this one to the other one they gave me. I love how YouTube likes to customize everything, to be honest. It makes me so happy. So this one, it has like rims and it's so cute. I like this one, to be honest. Then we have a biro, of course, because what are you going to write on the notepad with? And then we have this empty and port. I've actually unboxed this before, so that's why I already know what's inside. So this is a very, very cool thing because it's a cord that has like so many extensions. This is the head. Cool, right? Love this. So useful. So yeah, that'll be that for YouTube. This is what we got today on our waka. Very cool, very lovely, very thoughtful gift, and I I love them and I will use them. Like I already know I will use them. So yes, that's that. Also have these fans. So yes, for YouTube was just basically food things. So this one is from MTN. I won an MTN MiFi that has subscription for over a year, which was very cool. Then this is a cap. It also came with a power bank, which I've already shown you. So this is like the shirt. It came with a shirt. Very, very cool. And also came with another MTN Pulse cord cables. And I already, so that means I have two now. Very cool. So this one, I think is a sweat shirt. To be honest, I don't know. I don't have the strength to open this right now. But it's a sweat shirt because it looks like a hoodie. I love this brand and Stitch. Like, I was really surprised when I saw it's them that made this. They're like a very cool brand. And that's our power bank. And yeah, thank you so much, MTN. Thank you so much, God, for making all these things possible. The bag is really cute. For making all this possible, because I never thought it would get to this level. But look at us doing all this. Thank you. Next, let's move on to the next great thing, onto the next big thing, because I'm sure we have more to come. Amen.